My 2015 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited. With custom dynamics, DRLs, and turn signals. Pretty neat. Hell yeah, it's nice. Got the optional tool removal pack. Take it off and ride solo if I want to. Yeah, buddy. Look at some pipes later. Got the turn signals in the back on the bags. I'll take the tour pack off. Got the navigation so I know where I'm going. Oh yeah, it's gonna be all right there. Time to put this thing on the road. Get some miles on her. Polish my forks with mothers. Oh yeah, save me some money. That's $500 for some chrome forks. Just polish them right up. My foot pegs. Well, time to go ride. Peace.